Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off the week on Monday, traders will pay attention to the Asian session with the release of industrial production figures from Japan. There is talk that the Bank of Japan may increase their stimulus program in the nearest future, so this release will be closely monitored, and we expect volatility in the Japanese yen. In the American session, we'll see the latest housing market index from the US, which should give a clear picture of the housing market and create some opportunities in the US dollar. On Tuesday during the Asian session, we'll see the latest minutes meeting from the Reserve Bank of Australia. There is speculation that the RBA will cut interest rates again in the nearest future, which follows up from the recent rate cut, so this meeting will be closely monitored, and we expect opportunities and volatility in the Australian dollar. In the European session, we'll see the latest CPI figures from Great Britain and the US. The numbers from America will be of particular interest as they will play an important role on whether the Fed raises interest rates next month, and a round of strong numbers may see the US dollar reverse its recent losses. On Wednesday during the Asian session, we'll see the latest unemployment rate from New Zealand, which comes on the back of last week's interest rates cut from the bank. There are rumours that the central bank will need to cut rates further in order to boost the economy, so the following monetary statement will be closely monitored and we expect movement in the New Zealand dollar. In the American session, we'll see the release of the FOMC minutes from the US Federal Reserve, which comes just before next month's interest rate decision. On the back of recent strong data from America, some analysts are predicting that the central bank will raise rates next month, so investors will hang on every word and we expect volatility in the US dollar. On Thursday, during the Asian session, we'll see the latest unemployment rate from Australia, which currently sits at 5.8%. This is very important news, as it will help the RBA decide on whether to cut interest rate next month, so this release is expected to create volatility and trading opportunities in the Australian dollar. During the European session, we'll see the latest consumer price index from the Eurozone, which has also been on the rise in recent months due to the stimulus package introduced by the ECB, and another good figure should see the euro strengthen. On Friday during the European session, we'll see the producer price index numbers from Germany, which hit the market last month at 0.4% and was slightly up on the previous month's figure, which shows the sector is moving forward, and we may see the euro benefit with another strong figure. In the American session, we'll see the consumer price index from Canada, which came in at 0.2% last month on the back of weak oil prices, which are the backbone of the Canadian economy. We may see the Canadian dollar come under pressure as the week closes out if the number fails to meet expectations. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.